Balestri Infinity wins again, this time at FRGP Leno in Italy. Hampusberg wins in Denmark at Hillerød Raceway WarmUp event, driving a Mayako. Ronnefalk was there in second place. Johansson in third place. It was the warm-up of the NXC event later this year. In the USA, Lutz Kyosho Machine's success, both in brushless and nitro. Again in the USA, Mayfield Techno goes first at Adobe Mountain RC Speedway. David Ronnefalk joins ARC, testing and racing with the 1/8 scale on-road machine and probably Corsa Tech on-road engines. SMI support e-buggy warm-up of the Euros in Germany for X-Ray. Matteo preparing 1/10 scale nitro engines by Max Power for the upcoming Naxos Italy Euros. Jetco wet compound tires for Skidmore at e-buggy success in the UK. ARC A1023, the latest 1/10 scale touring machine. Montec has a nice bag for 1/12 scale machines. Kyosho Inferno MP10 TKI3 coming up.